Hi. Hi. I always feel like such a nerd. So I wanted to drop a huge bit of information into the ears of those of you who are on this page who are already tarot readers. That means you already understand how to use the tarot well. You've already done readings for clients. This message is for those of you who want to grow your business bigger, for real. So what a lot of you don't know is that I've spent, as well as spending a lot of time learning my tarot craft, learning how to work the tarot and get the psychic messages, another thing that I spent an awful lot of time and money learning is marketing. So not just any old marketing, but how to market yourself so that you are front and center when somebody Googles tarot reader near me, or that they're looking for somebody to do a party, or they're looking for somebody to do an event. I make sure that my website stands out. As part of the tarot marketing mastery program that I've put together, I am going to help you build a website that performs like mine does. So at this point, my website, I live in a teeny tiny little area. I have to tell you, my website right now is doing about 2,000 to 2,500 unique views a month. And that's not by accident. I've set several things up to get that done. So for those of you who are readers and you are looking to expand yourself, you want to do this for real, you want to make some real money, let me tell you a little bit about the Tarot Marketing Mastery course. So you get me one-on-one every week for some back and forth idea, mastermind stuff, some good stuff. In terms of marketing and what you're doing. I'm going to help you grow your Facebook page organically. I'm going to help you if you are interested with YouTube. I'm going to help you with live videos. I'm going to help you with content to put on, oh, my phone's buzzing. I'm going to help you with content to go on those platforms. I'm going to help you with blogging if that's what you want to do. And I am going to help you with the website that dominates Google in your area. So here's the trick. I can only do this for one person in each town or city because that's how it works. I can't give 4 people in your city the all the tools and all the background stuff to do that, because then there'll be 4 of you fighting for top spot. What I'm going to be able to do for you is make your listing come up front and center and number 1 when anybody in your area Googles that they're looking for a psychic or a tarot reader. Alternately, I can do this for reiki practitioners. I can do this for energy workers. I can do this for any kind of metaphysical stuff that you are working on, any kind of energy work that you are working on. So, that's the first thing, is that I can only do this for one person in one area. So if you are in whatever city you are in, if you hit me up first for this, you're going to get all the background knowledge that's included in your course. I am going to spoon feed you how to do not only how your pages should look, but the secret stuff that you need to do in the background, that is stuff that I studied and spent lots of money learning. So the other thing that I wanted to say is, for those of you who want to get on board, who are ready to do an action call with me, just in terms of seeing, are we a right fit? Are you ready to get out of your fear place and get moving with this, so that in 6 months from now, you might be able to say, see you later to the day job that you hate, or you can be at home more, or you can travel more. This thing, I can help make this thing happen. Anyway, the second thing I wanted to say is, for the first 3 people that come on with the Tarot Marketing Mastery program with me, I'm going to make you a deal. I'm going to make you an awesome deal, but you got to get on the phone with me to get some banter to see if it's even a good fit for you. So I'm really very excited about this. What a lot of people don't know is that I build websites for normal, everyday businesses all the time in order to do this thing where we dominate Google for you. This has been one of the lifesavers to my business for me to be able to live in a small wee town. So I live in a county. So you've got the great big area with all kinds of little towns sprinkled all over it. I have people that will come to get a reading with me from an hour and a half away. I was trying to do like the radius symbol, but I don't think that's not how the county works. It's grids and lines. But I will have people that will come from an hour and a half away to read with me because they found me online. They checked out my videos. I've got everything optimized because I learned how to do that. I can do that for one person in every city, in each city or each county. But I can only do it. I can only do it once. So anyway, if you are a reader and you are ready to get out of your fear zone, let me help you. Let me help you live a life of freedom. So last night I had a dream. It started off like not a fun dream, not a nice dream, where I felt, in the dream I felt trapped. And in the dream, I had this moment where I was like, wait a minute. I am a grown-up. And I am magical, and the work that I do, I can do from anywhere. And in the dream, I decided I'm getting out of here. I'm getting in my car, and I am going. In waking life, upon waking this morning, I realized that applies to me. If I want to travel, I can travel. If I want to just sit at home and wait for the kids to come home after school, I can do that. Tarot Marketing Mastery Program. Send me a private message. I'm only going to make this crazy, delicious offer available for the first 3 people that commit to coming on board with me. I think that's it. I gotta go. I just wanted to let you know about all that information in terms of what you might not know about me and how I've dominated the local area in terms of people finding me without me having to do almost anything for advertising. I don't do paid advertising. I want to teach you how to do that too. So there's all kinds of other things on the tarot marketing course that I can teach you too. How to work on the phones if that's what you want to do. How to do email. How to take payments from long distance securely. How to get organized so that this works for you like a real job. We figure out what it is that you need to earn every week or every month or every quarter, and you've got me to guide you the entire way. Amazing. All right, send me a private message if you are interested, if you are ready to get out of your fear zone, work from a place of love, and start to do your soul's work, your important work. Okay, blessings, everybody. Peace.